Did you know if you add rice, chicken, pesto, Greek yogurt, spinach, onion, and chicken stock to a bowl, mix, top with sun-dried tomatoes, then pop that in the oven, you get this family-sized chicken pesto meal prep bowl.
Okay, this one looks pretty decent. Let's try it out and rate it from 1 to 10. Viral recipes like this look so fucking amazing and so easy to make. But let's be honest, 90% of the time they taste like shit. I cook and rate one of them each week, and if you like saving yourself some time and disappointment, you should probably follow me. Finally, let's try it out. This is literally 10 out of 10. Guys, this is just one of the best tasting, so easy to make recipes. And if you're still eating the old tasteless chicken rice, I don't know what you're doing. Go and try it out.